Assalamu alaikum and hello. My name is Kehkashan. I am an experienced Urdu teacher. I have an experience of more than 35 years of teaching Urdu language and literature to both O levels and Matric students. I have an experience of teaching foreign nationals also. Uh, my approach to teaching is soft yet firm. My aim is to um, ensure that my students are fully engaged in their lessons so that can they retain each and every one. I can also help you in your Urdu homeworks, your project works, and your activities. And I can also help those teachers who want to improve their teaching skills. If you want to contact me, you can contact me through my Facebook page, my Urdu teacher, or at my WhatsApp number, that is 0300 356 2367. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.